since the ratio in which yz plane is divided means, so in yz plane x coordinate is equal to 0. X coordinate is equal to 0. Now equate it. What are the coordinates of C? C contains, what is C we have? That is C is equal to 0, comma 1 by 3, comma 2. Equate it. That's it. The point of intersection of the medians of the triangle will give the centroid of the triangle. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session, I am going to take very important concept in 3D dimension. In the previous class, we have discussed regarding internal division, external division, that is section formulas as well as midpoint formula. So based on that, I will take few more problems regarding section formulas as well as the centroid of a triangle. So the section formula, just recall the section formula. Suppose if a line joining the points A and B, if A, x1, y1, z1, this is A, x1, y1, z1, and this is B, x2, y2, z2. Suppose if P, x, y, z divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n or externally in the ratio m is to n, then we are going to get internal division and an external division is given by internally and externally is given by mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n and mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. This is internal division. For external it is minus, right? External division it is minus. And the centroid of the triangle is given by, the centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, comma z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3 will give the centroid of the triangle. Now based on this, let me discuss a few problems. Okay, now let us consider this as A and B. Okay, let P, x, y, z divides AB in the ratio k is to 1. Let us consider the ratio as k is to 1. Since it divides the ratio in which yz plane divides a line segment, means the x coordinate of the point are 0. Now just find out x, y, z here, that is P, x, y, z is equal to, now consider this as x1, y1, z1. So minus 2, 4, 7, this is x1, y1, z1, and 3, minus 5, 8, this is x2, y2, z2, and the ratio m is to n is equal to k is to 1, m is equal to k, n is equal to 1. Substitute in this formula. What is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma similarly my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, comma mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Now substitute the values. So this is equal to m is k into x2. What is x2? x2 is equal to 3 plus n is 1 into x1 is equal to minus 2 divided by m plus n, k plus 1, comma m is again k into y2. What is y2? Minus 5 plus n is 1 into y1 is 4 divided by k plus 1, comma mz2, m is k into, what is z2? z2 is equal to 8 plus n is 1 into z1 is 7 divided by k plus 1. Now since what is given, since it divides the plane, the line will divide yz plane. Since the ratio in which yz plane is divided means, so in yz plane x coordinate is equal to 0. X coordinate is equal to 0. So x coordinate of the point means equate this to the 0, that is 3k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. That's it. So, if it divides yz plane means x coordinate is equal to 0. If it divides zx plane means y coordinate is equal to 0. Suppose if it divides xy plane means z coordinate is equal to 0. So, since it divides yz plane, so therefore equate the coordinates of x is equal to 0, cross multiply it. So, 3k minus 2 is equal to 0 into any number is 0, 3k is equal to 2. So, therefore, this can be written as k by 1 is equal to 2 by 3. The ratio k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 3. So, the ratio is equal to, in this case is 2 is to 3 is the ratio. That's it. Okay. So, the required answer is 2 is to 3 is the ratio. That's it. Very simple problem. You just use section formula and simplify. Depending upon the given condition, equate the value of x, y or z coordinate as 0, then you will get the answer. Move on to a similar type problem. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points 4, 8, 10 and 6, 10, minus 8 is divided by same yz plane. So, yz plane means this is nothing but x coordinate is equal to 0. Now, since p, x, y, z is equal to, let the ratio, let m is to n is equal to k is to 1, m is equal to k and n is equal to 1, and these are the points. What are the points? This is x1, y1, z1, and this is x2, y2 and z2. What is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, comma mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. So, here this is as it is, m is k into x2 is equal to 6 plus n is 1 into x1 is 4 divided by k plus 1, comma my2, m is k into y2 is 10 plus n is 1 into y1 is 8 divided by k plus 1, comma mz2, m is k into z2 is minus 8 plus n is 1 into z1 is 10 divided by k plus 1. Since the ratio in which the line segment joining points will divide, since it divides, p divides yz plane. So, therefore, x coordinate is equal to 0. X coordinate is equal to 0. That means here 6k plus 4 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Cross multiplied. 6k plus 4 is equal to 0 into number is 0. 6k is equal to minus 4, or this is k by 1 is equal to minus 4 by 6, that's equal to minus 2 by 3. So, therefore, that is k is to 1 is equal to minus 2 is to 3, means negative sign indicates it is dividing external. So, this is an external division, dividing externally. So, therefore, the required answer is k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 3. The ratio is 2 is to 3. That's it. Okay. So, therefore, the required answer is k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 3. This is dividing externally. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this type of problems. Okay. Now, move on to the next type problem. So, what is the next problem? Using section formulas. Show that the points A 2, minus 3, 4, B minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 1 by 3 and 2 are collinear. So, using section formulas, we have to verify these 3 points are collinear. Now, just find out the coordinates of P. So, let P x, y, z divides A, B, C. Let P x, y, z divides A, B in the ratio, let us call it as k is to 1, A, B. So, what is A? This is A and B and C. So, A is equal to 2 minus 3, 4, B minus 1, 2, 1 and C 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Let P x, y, z divides these to A, B, right. This is A and B. So divides AB in the ratio K is to 1. Just find out the coordinates of the point P. P, X, Y, Z is equal to same formula mx2 plus nx1 m. So here m is equal to K and n is equal to 1. So this is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2 and z2. M K into x2. x2 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 into x1. x1 is 2 divided by k plus 1 comma my2. M is k into y2 is 2 plus n is 1 into y1 is 3 divided by k plus 1 comma m z2. K into z2. z2 is 1 plus n is 1 into z1 is 4 divided by k plus 1. Now equate this. So this is P, X, Y, Z is equal to minus k plus 2 divided by k plus 1, 2k minus 3 divided by k plus 1, comma k plus 4 divided by k plus 1. Okay. So these are the coordinates of P, X, Y, Z which divides AB in the ratio k is to 1. Right. Now the point C is collinear. The point C is collinear. The point C is collinear if and only if. So the point C is collinear. The point C means the point C is collinear with A and B if and only if this above point, if C is equal to this point for unique value of k. If C is equal to minus k plus 2 divided by k plus 1, comma 2k minus 3 divided by k plus 1, comma k plus 4 divided by k plus 1. They are equal for unique value of k. For unique value of k. Right. Now equate it. What are the coordinates of C? C contains, what is C we have? That is C is equal to 0, comma 1 by 3, comma 2. Equate it. That's it. So first point, minus k plus 2 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Then second point, 2k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Then third point, k plus 4 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 2. Just equate to this. Right. Now solve this. If you cross multiply, minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 2. Then here 3 2s are 6k minus 9 is equal to k plus 1. Transfer this. 6k minus k is equal to 1 plus 9 is 10. So that means 5k is equal to 10. 5k is equal to 10. Therefore, k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. Similarly, in this case, k plus 4 is equal to 2k plus 2. Transfer this. What happens? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2k minus k. That is, therefore, we can write k is equal to 2. So, in all cases, k is equal to 2. That means, the value of k is unique. So, therefore, we can say that, therefore, the points, therefore, A, B, C are collinear. A, B, C are collinear with C collinear and C divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. That's it. So, what is k? K is 2. So, k is to 1 means 2 is to 1. So, the given points are collinear and C divides in the ratio 2 is to 1. That's it. This is how we are going to solve. Very important for 3 marks. Right. Now, just move on to the next problem. Find the coordinates of the point which trisects the line segment joining the points P 4, 2, minus 6 and Q 10, minus 16 and 6. So, this is also an important problem. Trisection, right. What is given? P 4, 2, minus 6 and another point is Q is 10, minus 6 and 6. So, these are the 2 points, right. So, let P is equal to 4, 2 and minus 6, Q is 10, minus 16 and 6. These are the 2 points. Let A and B are the points of trisection let A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2, and B divides PQ in the ratio 2:1. Okay, now just find out the value for 1:2 ratio and for 2:1. That will give the trisection points A and B. Now let us find out if it divides A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2 means therefore the coordinates of A is equal to mx2. What is m here? This is equal to m:n. M is equal to 1. This is x1 y1 z1 x2 y2. mx2 1 into 10 plus 2 into mx2 plus nx1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2. Similarly, my2, m is 1 into y2 is minus 16 plus n is 2 into y1 is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus 2, and mx2 plus nx1 by mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, mz2, m is 1 into z2 is 6 plus n is 2 into z1 is minus 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So this will give the point A. So therefore the coordinates of A is equal to simplify 10 plus 8 divided by 3 comma minus 16 plus 4 divided by 3 and 6 minus 12 divided by 3. So what is this equal to? This is equal to 18 by 3 comma minus 12 by 3 comma minus 6 divided by 3. That is equal to 18 by 3 is 6, again minus 12 by 3 is minus 4 and minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. So therefore A is equal to, the point A is 6 comma minus 4 and minus 2. Okay. Now since A is equal to 6 minus 4 and minus 2 is 1 point. To find B, you can use, since B divides PQ in the ratio 2:1, you can use 2:1, or the very simple method is, this B is the midpoint of, B is equal to midpoint of AQ. B is the midpoint of AQ. So therefore B is equal to, use midpoint formula for this, 10 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 16 minus 4 divided by 2, 6 minus 2 divided by 2. So that's equal to 16 by 2 minus 20 by 2 and 4 divided by 2. That is equal to, B is equal to 16 by 2 is 8, minus 20 by 2 is minus 10, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So 8 minus 10 and 2 is the other point. That's it. So this is 8 minus 10 and 2. So just use 1:2 ratio or 2:1 ratio, you will get 1 point, and using midpoint formula you can get another point also. That's it. This is how we are going to find the point of a trisection of the line segment joining the 2 points A, x1, y1, z1 and B, x2, y2 and z2. Now this is also a very important problem. Now move on to the next concept. Now the centroid of a triangle. The centroid is the point of intersection of the medians of the triangles. It is denoted by G. So suppose if this is the triangle, a triangle is formed by the points say A, x1, y1, z1 and another point B, x2, y2, z2 and C, x3, y3, z3, then the centroid of the triangle, is the point of intersections of the medians of the triangle. So the medians are like this. So this is the centroid. So yes, the point of intersection of the medians of the triangle will give the centroid of the triangle. So this is the centroid of the triangle and is given by G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3 comma z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Okay. Now using this centroid of a triangle, let us move on to a problem based on this. The centroid of a triangle ABC is at the point 1, 1, 1 if the coordinates of A and B are 3, minus 5, 7, minus 1, 7, minus 6 respectively. Find the coordinates of the other. So what is given? A and B is given, G is given. What is required to find is the other point. Let C is equal to x, y, z, B be the coordinates of other point, B other point, coordinates of other point. Now using centroid formula, G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 and z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Now what is given? Already G is given. The centroid is 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equal to, call it as, this is x1 y1 z1, this is x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 and z3. So x plus 3 minus 1 divided by 3, y minus 5 plus 7 divided by 3, comma z plus 7 minus 6 divided by 3. Now what is this equal to? 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equal to x plus 2 divided by 3. This is y. 7 minus 5 is plus 2 divided by 3. Z plus 7 minus 6 is 1 divided by 3. Equate it. So if we get x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1, y plus 2 divided by 3 is also equal to 1 and z plus 1 by 3 is also equal to 1. Solve this, you will get the value of x, y, z. So that is x plus 2 is equal to 3 into 1 is 3, x is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So x is equal to 1. Similarly, y plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 means y plus 2 is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, y is equal to 1 and z plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 means z plus 1 is equal to 3, z is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, z is equal to 2. So therefore, the point, the coordinates of C is equal to x, y, z. That is nothing but what is x? 1, y is 1, z is 2 is the other point. Therefore, the coordinates of C is 1 comma 1 comma 2. That's it. So the coordinates of C is equal to 1, 1 and 2. So this is how we are going to solve using the centroid of a triangle. Right. Hope you followed. So what is the formula for centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 and z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Okay, that's it. So these are few problems based on section formulas as well as midpoint formulas. Hope you followed. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.